Is your Jira form still live when it should be dead? Are team members still submitting to an old version? Or worse, sending you bad data that you have to clean up manually? I know exactly how frustrating that is. You built a form, it served its purpose, and now it just sits there like a ghost in the system. The good news is, you can kill it in under 60 seconds. No coding, no begging your admin, just a few clicks. Here is exactly what I am going to show you. I will walk you through the 7 simple steps to deactivate any form in Jira. I am logged into a real project right now, so you can see every click happen on screen. By the time we are done, that form will be completely hidden from your users. No more surprise submissions. All right, let us jump in. First thing you need to do is open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Make sure you are in the right workspace. If you have multiple Jira instances, double-check you are on the correct one. Once you're in, we can move forward. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see your project list. Click on the specific project that contains the form you want to deactivate. This is important because forms are tied to individual projects. Clicking the wrong one will leave you looking at the wrong set of forms. So take that extra second to pick the right project. Once your project opens up, look at the top navigation bar. You will see a tab labeled Forms. Click on that. This is where Jira stores every form associated with this project. It is your central hub. Now here is where you need to be careful. You will see a list of all your active and inactive forms. Scroll through until you find the specific form you want to deactivate. Click on it to open it up. Do not just click the name, actually open the form builder so you can see the full editor. That is where the controls live. Once the form editor opens, look at the very top right corner of the screen. Right next to the Publish button, you will see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu with a few options. In my experience, this is the step people miss most often. They look in Settings, they look in Project Settings, they go digging through admin panels. But it is right here in the form editor itself. From that drop-down menu, you will see an option that says Deactivate Form. Click on it. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure. Click Deactivate one more time to confirm. And that is it. Seriously, that is the whole process. The form is now deactivated. It will no longer be visible to users. They cannot submit to it. They cannot even see it listed anymore. The data inside is still preserved. You are just turning off the ability for anyone new to fill it out. And there you go. From a live, active form that can still cause confusion to a completely deactivated form that is hidden from your team. No more cleanup, no more bad data sneaking in. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more real-world Jira tips. I will catch you in the next one.